Alright, once you turn it all the way off, I'll go ahead and put it in.
Oh man. Moment of truth.
Is it?
Okay. Does Adam die or?
I'm scared. That's the same side. I'm gonna die!
You're not gonna die.
Oh, I can't see you. Where'd you go? Oh my God.
Oh shit! I'm gonna drop it. It's burning my hand. It's burning my hand. It hurts so bad. Keep going. All right.
Turn it up all the way.
Up. I'll have to adjust that and turn into. All right, so 42 minutes starting now. Well, no, I think we gotta start when it hits 350. We'll check it.
Dang, is that thermometer?
Yo, you good there, Hackett?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, it's good. I touched it before. Okay, pull it out. Back up. I should probably be wearing like boots or something. Oh shit! Oh, I need the hook. All right, we're gonna pull the top.
Okay, so you just go to the right.
What do you think? Does that look good?
Yeah, I think we'll be alright.
Should we leave it in there longer?
No, it's fine.
It shrank a lot, huh?
Yeah.
That wasn't nearly as intense as we all thought it was going to be.
I know.
Are you guys ready? Does it look good? Yeah, I think, yeah, looks fine.